Hello, I'm Kristina Amelong from Optimal Health Network, and I want to talk about how you can relieve menopause symptoms naturally. Menopause is a profound life transition, one that is both beautiful but can also have very disruptive symptoms such as hot flashes, night sweats, brain fog, low libido, insomnia, and anxiety. Most women begin the perimenopause transition in their early to mid-40s. Full menopause is officially reached after 12 consecutive months without a period, typically around age 51, but symptoms can begin years earlier and linger well beyond. Instead of forcing balance with external hormones, I offer natural therapies that support your body's innate wisdom. There are 5 natural supplements that I have found to be really effective for menopause support. The first one is magnesium. I recommend a multi-spectrum magnesium. I get great results with Orthomolecular's reacted magnesium, and it helps with symptoms like insomnia, irritability, headaches, and joint pain by calming the nervous system, relaxing muscles, and improving sleep. And then there's melatonin. Melatonin levels naturally decline with age, which can wreak havoc on your sleep cycles and mood stability. So we'll often support sleep with orthomelatonin. Then Orthomolecular also makes rubestrin, which offers safe natural relief for hot flashes, night sweats, and mood fluctuations. And then we also use wild yam complex, which is long used to support women's reproductive health through transition like menopause. And then vitamin D. Vitamin D deficiencies can worsen mood swings, increase bone loss, and weaken immune health. So it's important to make sure that your vitamin D levels are optimized. One of the most empowering tools available for menopausal women is targeted hormone testing. Our post-menopause hormone panel provides in-depth insights into your estrogen, progesterone, testosterone, cortisol, and thyroid levels, so you can build a natural protocol that works for your unique body. This panel is ideal for women seeking clarity about persistent symptoms like fatigue, low libido, weight gain, or mood imbalances. You do not have to suffer through uncomfortable menopause symptoms. If you're unsure where to start to support your body through menopause, I would absolutely love to work with you one-on-one to create a plan that works for you. You can schedule a phone consultation with me by reaching out to optimalhealthnetwork.com.